Good evening, friends. Today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the multibagger stock which has given almost 9,000% return in last 10 years and 146% in last 5 years. Before proceeding further and telling about the stock, I want to welcome all of you to our channel Wealthy with Multibagger. If you see that this is the chart of the company, check this chart carefully. You will see that every dip is creating a good opportunity in this stock. This stock has given 9,000% return in last 10 years. Okay, and it is from plantation product. The company's current price is almost 620 rupees and current market cap is 8,241 crore. Price to earning ratio 29.8 and book value 111. Dividend is 0.89, which is also very good. Company is providing dividend consistently. Return on capital employed 15.8, return on equity 19.7, face value 2. Peg ratio here 2.35, which is the matter of concern here. Whenever you see the peg ratio is more than 1, which is saying that the company prices will not move faster. Equity capital is 26.6, current ratio 1.49, price to book value 5.56. If you talk about growth factor is 2, Patrosky is 4. Check with advisor before taking further position in this stock. Return on asset of this company 11.3 and profit debt to profit is 3.42. Company is having debt and returning very fast. Okay, now alt score is 7.7 and difference in IV is 7,787. Solid check 1 and EPS for latest quarter is 4.56, for full year 20.8. Variation of last 10 years 12.5 and variation for last profit variation for last 10 years is 19%. Promoter holding, unpledged promoter holdings 46.26. Next is last 10 quarter sales growth. If you see that sales is growing very slowly but very consistently in the right direction. You can say the company sales was basically 300 crore in March 2021, but now it is growing to 655 crore, and you can say the average 30 to 35% growth in last 10 quarters. If you talk about EBITDA growth, EBITDA is also if exponentially grow here is 85 crore EBITDA now showing 106 crore, and you can also see 25 to 30% growth in the EBITDA in last 10 quarter. If you talk about the fundamental analysis for this particular presentation, and you can talk about this particular interest paid by this company is paying interest higher. This is the only matter of concern for this company, because last few year quarter company was paying very less interest, just 4 crore. Now it is going to 15 crore almost. Last 10 quarter PAT growth is also showing that the company's PAT is also growing from 50 crore to 60 crore. But here the one matter is concern is that in this June quarter is showing just 60 crore PAT. Maybe in the upcoming quarter it may increase, but it is very showing the 15, 20 to 25% growth in last 10 quarter for the PAT. If you talk about the 10 quarter EPS growth, the company is also increase EPS from 3.7 to now 5 rupees, but this will increase in upcoming quarter. If you talk about the last 10 years sales growth, the 10-year sales growth is increasing very exponentially here, 20 to 25% growth in this company. And the companies, you can say last 10 year back, the sales was around 800 crore. Now it is showing 2,200, 117, exponential growth by the company in the sales. EBITDA is growing exponentially here. The company EBITDA is growing from 170 crore to now 418 crore as per the June 2023. And EBITDA growth is also showing very exponential share, like you can say 20 to 20% growth. And if you talk about the EBITDA margin, it is also 18%, which company has reduced the EBITDA margin from 25 to now 18%. That is also very good. In last 10 year interest paid, the company is 13% to now 13 crore to now 44 crore in last 10 years. That is the matter of concern here. In the interest paid by the company has increased some debt. If you talk about last 10 year PAT growth for this particular company's PAT is also growing exponentially from 100 crore to now 277 crore, and PAT growth also percentage showing 29 to 30%. Last 10 year EPS growth, and 10 year EPS growth is showing from 7 rupees to now 20 rupees, exponential growth by the companies. Also the EPS growth also showing the percentage to 20 to 30%. If you talk about return on equity is 19.8 as per the March 2023, and return on capital employed also 15.79, return on asset is 11.52. If you talk about the last book value of this company, it is also increasing from 26 to now 111. If you talk about the 10-year working capital growth, working capital is also, you can say, is basically they're taking too much time to getting this money from the vendor, but now it is increased to 144 days. I mean, if you talk about the last 10-year shareholding fund, the company shareholding fund also very solid here. Company is not diluting single equity, and reserves is also growing exponentially, 326 to now 1480, 1445 crore. If you talk about last 10-year liabilities also growing from, so earlier liabilities were very less, now it is liability they have increased to 280 crore. And this is the one matter of concern. The current liabilities also increased from 214 crore to now 836 crore. Non-current assets also increase from 400 crore to 1350. So along with the debt, they are also increasing asset. Company's inventory is all-time high, which is 578 crore, and company's market going to receive from the market 441, which is also all-time high. Company having cash in bank is 83 crore almost. Last 10-year promoters holding intact, increase their particular position in this company 46.19 to 46.26, and also FI holding increase from last 5.5% holding by FI now increased to 7.7. DI also holding intact here 21%, and non-institution 25%. What is the company name? Company name is Continental Coffee. Continental Coffee Limited product is listed in the public limited share, and it is basically creating a lot of coffee product. Now you can see what is the company about. The company is having 400 plus client, 900 plus brand, 100 plus country, and 4 factory in India. Company CCL Product is being most trusted brand in the industries, and has been committed toward the delivering a promise manufacturing unparalleled quality product. Very, very good. Now you can see here the different brand of the company, which you can say they are creating a lot of coffee product and sending to the India and all out of India. Before investing in this stock, I recommend to all of you, please check with your advisor before taking further position. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.